Hello, I will be teaching you how to set up a Samba network sharing in Fedora Linux. So first thing you want to do is install Samba. So to do that, type yum-y install Samba. It'll take a few because my computer. So basically what this does is yum checks its repository for the Samba packages, letting us be able to set up our Samba server. So we just have to wait a few for the packages to be installed on the system. As you can see, I already have these Samba packages installed on the computer. Okay, now we have to open the Samba port on the firewall. So to do that, first type firewall cmd -add and we want to do this permanently. Alright. Success. That's what you should see. And I already done this before. So now we want to reload to confirm our changes. So firewall cmd reload. And now we have to check if the SC Linux service is running on our computer. And you do that by typing the command get enforce. And when it says enforcing, it basically means it's running. And SC Linux is basically a security mechanism on Linux that limits user access. So now we have to disable a specific function on SC Linux. We cannot disable entirely an SC Linux because we need it. So in order to do that, we will type in set sc bool -p samba _ enable home BIRS on. So press enter and you should come back to the command line, command terminal. I'm not gonna press enter again because I already done it before. So now we use the PD edit. Hold on, let me clear it out. PDB edit to create a user so we can have credentials for when people want to access our share folder. So to do that, we would type in PDB edit -a and then we enter the user for the system. You can find out who the user and system is by typing who am I. I'm currently root. Okay, but here we go. So type in pd edit and -a and any user name you want, or no, this user on your system, your Fedora system. In my case, it was user1, but now I'm logged in as root. So now, and then after you type in the username for the Fedora system, you'll be prompted to type in a password. And then after that, you want to restart SMB and NMB services. So type in system ctl restart SMB NMB. I already have it running, so I'm not going to do this part, but that's what you have to type. And now we want to check if our share is visible on the windows. So now you go into login. So you go up here, you go to network in the Windows File Manager. You type in // IP address of the Fedora system. In this case, mine is 10.0.0.128. And right there, user1 folder, one of the users on my Fedora system. And now we can see all the files on my Fedora system. And now we want to check, make a test if the share is working. So go here, show applications, scroll down, and click this blue one. So what this is basically Linux's version of Microsoft Windows. Is called LibreOffice Writer. So first we'll be typing hello, type anything you want. Hello Windows, we're testing the Linux Samba server. And then we just do this. Do anything. Just add anything you want here, doesn't really matter. Server. Let me just do it. And you go to save as. Let's just give it a name. I'll be calling it testing 123 .doc. So we're going to leave it as a doc file because we want to open it in Windows as Word, a Word document. So save it. You're probably going to get this prompt right here. Yes, use. Okay, now the name of the file is testing 123. Remember that. And let's go back to the Windows right here and see if it updated in our documents. And you can see right here, testing 123. Let's open it one time. I'm gonna give it a couple minutes. My computer is kind of slow here. Give it a few minutes. You can skip ahead in the video if you want. It's taking a while. Okay, finally. So as you can see, this is exactly what we typed into our Fedora text, our Fedora version of Microsoft Word, Libra Office Writer, and we open a file on our Windows system, and that's exactly what we wrote. So sharing is working, and now we want to mount a drive. So now we're going to want to go to this PC, go to your C drive, and create a new folder. And you can call that folder anything, but I already done this, so I'm going to delete this and use this one. This is what I use. So you can name it Windows Share, exactly how it's here. And then you right click it, go into properties, and now go to the sharing tab, click share, and you click share again at the bottom. Make it okay. But I already did it. Okay, and then we go to advanced. And once you're done, you click done, and you go to advanced sharing. Click on permissions, and now you want to make sure everyone is there. But if everyone is not there, you must go to add, advanced, find list, and you click everyone. You click everyone. You click OK. But I already have everyone there, so I'm not going to do it again. Okay. After that, you want to make sure it has full control settings. Okay. And then once you have everyone and full control settings enabled, go out. And now you want to navigate to the security tab. And on the security tab, you want to click on edit. And make sure it has full control and modifies enabled. And click on add. Advance. And go to find. And look for where it says everyone. And then you press OK. I already have everyone there, so I'm not going to do it again. And click out of it, click out of it. and then we have to navigate to network sharing. Click that. So we have to navigate to the network and sharing center to enable some options, some very important options. This is one of the most important parts. Okay. And then you go to change advanced sharing settings. Okay. We go to, okay, we're on public. Turn this on. Network discovery, turn on files and printer sharing. Then you click this option right here to expand it. Where it says public folder sharing, turn on. Scroll down where it says password protected sharing, you turn that off and you save your changes. I already done that, so let's move on. Now we go back into the Fedora VM. Log back into this. Turn that ID. And now we have to install some more Samba things. So in this case, we type in yum install Samba dash client CIFS dash utils. Okay, make sure everything is good. Yum install Samba client. Okay, press enter. Enter the key. Okay, just wait for that to load up for a minute. So this is basically more Samba, additional Samba service packages we can install that we really need. So okay, so I already have both packages installed, the Samba client and the CIFS utilities. So now we want to temporarily mount our share folder first. So let me just show you how that looks. Type mount -t CIF -0 not 0 O, and the username, type in username equals, this is where you type in your Windows username for your Windows machine. You can go to your command line and you can type in echo space percent username percent, and that will give you your username for your Windows machine. So you have to do that through the command line. You can get it through the GUI somewhere, but it's easier through the command line. So you equal, and then for my Windows username was user, and then you type your Windows. You type in your Windows IP address, 0.3, and the share folder name, which was Windows share. And then you attach where you want it to mount is MNT, and you after you have everything here, just make sure everything -t CLF0 username user, and you want to put make sure the IP address is correct. Windows -share is the share folder that we made. I already done this, it's already mounted, so I'm not doing it again. Press enter, and then after you do that, you'll be prompted to enter a password, and this is the password for your Windows machine, not the Linux, but your Windows. And once you enter the password, you type the mount command, and then it should be mounted temporarily. But later on, I'll be showing you how to permanently mount this. So now we want to go into the MNT directory. That's where we saved our mounts. So you use the cd command, cd MNT, and I already have 2 files there. And now we use the touch command to create files, to create some files with touch. What name should we give it? Touch file LOL. No, 101. And a file should not be created in this folder. So let's go back into Windows and check if the file has been created. Windows. And we can see that the file has been created. So anything I really create here, we'll transfer here. This is our shared folder. And now we want to see. Now we want to do the opposite here. Create a new folder here. And let's just name it success man 101, and let's just give it a minute to update here and type I want to see if okay, 2 more things just have been added. Success 101 right there. So now we want to permanently mount this on our system. So let's clear this out first. And then now we want to type cd to leave this directory. And then type unmount, because now we have to unmount the temporary mount that we did earlier. So we cannot leave the temporary mount that we created. Okay, this will unmount it first. I already done it, so just copy what I have on a string. And then now after you copy that, type mount to mount it, to make sure that nothing is mounted. And then now to permanently mount it, we have to enter the etc fstab with the text editor. So type in vim etc fstab, I think that's it, and press enter. And once in the file, as you can see, you go down here or press I, to make changes to the thing. So I already added my line here. This is the line you have to add. Okay, let me just start off here. This is forward slash your, this is the Windows IP address here, and this is the, and then you have to do a slash /1, and this is the Windows share folder that we made. Remember this, and this is the mount where we mounted our thing at, and this is the file system, and just add these here. Defaults, comma, underscore, net dev. Then this is 2 zeros here. And after you've done that, edited that, you can pause the video, edit it, press escape, save it. And once you're in here and you type in all the information, type in mount -A, and this will permanently mount it. And then you'll be prompted to a password first, and you can just press, when it asks you for a password, you can just press enter, because if you remember from earlier, we disabled the password protecting sharing earlier, and now we have successfully mounted permanently. You press this and you'll be prompted to a password, and you just press enter. You don't have to put no password in. And then you want to press mount again. This is the last step, mount, and it should be working. Thank you for watching. This is a video on how to set up Samba network sharing in Fedora Linux. Have a good nice day.